Tired of spending hours cleaning your floors? What if your vacuum could clean on its own, even while you're out of the house? Meet the iRobot Roomba Q0120, the robot vacuum that's taking over households across America. Let's find out if it's really worth the hype. Hey everyone, this is Steve Hoogan, and I welcome back to USA Tech Deals, your go-to spot for honest tech reviews and smart buying tips. Today we're diving into a product that's transforming home cleaning for thousands of households. The Roomba Q0120 is the #1 best-selling robot vacuum on Amazon, rated 4.1 stars by over 50,000 users. It's smart, powerful, and designed to clean both carpets and hard floors effortlessly, all with the press of a button or a voice command through Alexa. Let's talk features. First, it comes with a 3-stage cleaning system that tackles dirt, crumbs, and pet hair. The edge-sweeping brush and multi-surface rollers adapt to different floor types. Thanks to its smart navigation, it cleans in neat rows, not randomly like older models. It runs up to 120 minutes on a full charge and returns to its dock automatically to recharge. Control everything through the iRobot Home app. Schedule cleans, track where it cleaned, and even start it remotely. Plus, its sleek design slides under couches and beds with ease. And for messes that need extra attention, there's a spot cleaning mode that works like a charm. Real users are loving it, especially families with pets and kids. From fur-covered floors to kitchen crumbs, this vacuum handles it all. Sure, it may need some Roomba proofing around cords and low furniture, but the benefits far outweigh those minor quirks. So, is the Roomba Q0120 worth it? If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your home clean, absolutely. It's smart, reliable, and surprisingly powerful for its price. Want to learn more before you buy? Click the link in the description to read our full in-depth review on usatechdeals.com, where we break down everything you need to know. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's tired of vacuuming. Let Roomba do the work for you. You've got better things to do. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.